How to activate Facebook Marketplace on new Facebook account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your new Facebook account. Now, in order to create a new Facebook Marketplace for your new Facebook account, you don't have to do anything. A Marketplace account is by default created to any Facebook account or any Facebook users. Tap on the 3-bar icon on your right-hand side, and under Menu page, you will be able to see this Marketplace option. You can also access this Marketplace button from the top bar menu. And here you can buy and sell various things. If you cannot access your Marketplace, then scroll below onto Settings and Privacy. Tap onto Settings. Under Preferences, tap on Tab Bar. Here tap on Customize the bar. And under your shortcuts, tap onto Marketplace. It might be auto or hide in your device. Make sure you pin it. Once you pin the Marketplace onto your shortcut, this shall be displayed on your menu page. In order to activate your Facebook Marketplace in other ways, tap on this icon, then tap on the search bar, and let's go ahead and search for anything. And once you scroll below and explore various offers, this will automatically activate your Facebook Marketplace. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.